inviting me here for this grand launch of new Swift. నేను పాత Swift ని చూసాను, but this Swift is really very amazing. So I would like to congratulate and thank you for inviting me, sir. I would like to thank CEO of Kalyani Maruti Suzuki here. And ఇది 2 branches ఉన్నాయి, ఒకటి ఇక్కడ LB Nagar లో and Nacharam లో కూడా ఉన్నాయి. So to all the Swift lovers and Swift వాడని వాళ్ళు కూడా వచ్చి చూడండి. It has special design. Last Swift తో పోల్చుకుంటే ఈ Swift చాలా బాగుంది. The rear camera గానీ the display గానీ చాలా change in the Swift లో. So I hope the Swift will trend.
Yes.
And
thank you madam for coming for the launch of the new Swift. This is a 4th generation Swift, which is best in the segment. Which is coming with the 6 airbags, sir. Base variant 6 airbags unnai with we are not compromising in the safety, and this is the 4th generation. We are selling 40 lakhs plus customers, happy customers, sir. So ee Swift andariki nachutundi, ee safety tho vastundi, all features tho undi, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you madam.